I've got to get my life together per usual each week. Get my apartment together because Ryan's family is coming this weekend. I can't even believe like how quickly the weeks of November are flying by, even though I should realize how quickly life is flying by since I say it literally every month. But I need to really start bringing out my Christmas decorations, start cleaning and reorganizing things so that when they come to visit, because it's gonna be 5 people and 2 dogs in a studio apartment, I know it's gonna be tight. I really don't want to stress that I don't feel like comfy in my own place, so I really need to like just go through a few things, and I think I will feel more sane when I have my Christmas decorations out. Everything just always feels better with Christmas decorations. I keep going back and forth, like do I put them out before Thanksgiving even though his family's coming for Thanksgiving? I don't think they really care. That is the plan, so join me today while we tidy up and get my life together. In order to do that, ow, I just let something on the ground. Oh, I'm a hot mess. I feel like I need to get myself together to some degree. I feel like there's 2 kind of girls out there. The ones who feel put together when they have a full face of makeup, or then the ones who care more about their hair looking put together and then less makeup. Which one are you? Because for me, I feel like I don't need that much makeup because I have so much hair. I need like a quick and easy way to make it look put together, ready to go in a little amount of time. And I found the solution for that. For me personally, I love using the ponytails from insert name here. I actually just got my order in and I did pick up a fun little product I have not chosen before. I'm actually working with them again in this video. I've worked with them previously in other videos and you guys always see me wearing my Lola ponytail from them. I'm obsessed. I have so many photos on my Instagram, but this time around I did get another ponytail which we'll try on, and I also picked up this fun wig. And I know it's past Halloween time, but sometimes I really miss my blonde hair, and I thought let's just bring the blonde curls back. So let me show you what I was talking about when it comes to how easy it is to get this ponytail in, and you will look put together quickly. So the ponytail we are going to try on today is the Alley. It's mid-length with beachy waves. So this is in the color Strawberry Blonde, and if you're not quite sure which color you would be, they have great customer service that could absolutely help you out. Strawberry Blonde is very hard to find when it comes to extensions where it's matchable. I feel like since there's so many different shades of red, the Strawberry Blonde can get tricky, and this is the closest I have found where it has matched perfectly with my hair color. Oh, she is cute and wavy. So I've unwrapped the little wraparound portion, and now I'm going to just throw my hair back into a kind of high-ish bun, and then we're going to just easily attach the pony and we'll be ready to go. Okay, so you're going to take the little clip at the very top and then just slightly push it over the top of the front of your bun. Push it in, and then you're going to take the wrap around portion right here and just wrap it around your bun so it creates this secure top knot with the ponytail around it. It is wrapped. Now you're going to take the 2 bobby pins and just bobby pin the excess little hair part of that ponytail wraparound, and then you're going to be good to go. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. Look how natural that hair looks. This is going to be so cute to wear for the holidays when you are in a bind wrapping 27 million gifts and trying to get ready for the Christmas parties. I'm just not good at doing my hair. It's very intimidating to me, hence like why I have like little bumps at the top here. I really need to learn how to just like smooth it out and just maybe watch some more YouTube videos. That's why I love these ponytails, because it looks like I gave some effort and I know kind of what I'm doing without knowing what I'm doing. So cute. Look, it's sturdy. Sturdy, baby. Let's go try on this wig. If you've never put on a wig, which I wasn't really used to until recently when I got more into my Halloween costumes and putting on wigs, they always come with a wig cap. So what you usually do is you put your hair down in a low bun and you get it really, really tight in the back, and then you're just gonna pop on your wig cap, which they provide, and this is actually a very good wig cap. That's the fun thing about wigs, is that you can totally play around. If you're unsure of like a haircut or a hair color you wanna go, you can always buy a wig and try it out. Then you can can permanently do it, or you can be like, you know what, I just want this for temporary occasions, and then get your wigs and just have fun with it. I don't know if you guys are a Real Housewives fan or not on Bravo, but I used to be a fan of Atlanta, and I used to love when Kim Zolciak was on the seasons, and she used to be like the queen of wigs, and people used to make fun of her because she would wear wigs all the time. And now I feel like that is so common to find people who are wanting to like switch their wigs in and out. It's just like fashion. You just play around with it on your head. I'm sorry, but did I just turn into Dolly Parton? Where are my cowboy boots? These boots were, wait, that's Willie Nelson. What is the other song? Working 9 to 5. I'm totally going to figure out how to use this next year for one of my costumes. I also love how movable and manageable the hair is. So like at first it looked like really big and poofy like this, but I've just been kind of playing around with it like real hair, and it's been super easy to style. I also saw on the website these strawberry blonde extensions that I'm going to have to pay for my own money. They did send me these 2 products, but I want them so badly because sometimes I want to just like chop my hair off short and then still have the option to do longer hair. So I'm kind of debating that. Maybe one day when I get a bob, then I won't feel too scared to just go for it, because then I'll have the strawberry blonde extensions. If you guys want to try any of their products, definitely go to their website and use my code Kaylee Davis, and you'll get 15% off the whole entire site. Just go look around, have fun. If you're not really into the wigs or the ponytails, you can go and look at their like hair tools. They have hair straighteners and other fun items like that. I really love the brand, and I was so honored that they reached back out to me to collaborate with them. So thank you guys so much if you are watching this. I genuinely love your products, and I cannot wait to rock my ponytails during the holiday season. You guys ready to eat your foodies? We got this slow feeder bowl for Ember because he just is the most food-driven dog we've ever had, and it's been really helpful. I'll link it in the description box below for you guys if you have a dog like ours. What we have to do next in order to get this place together, because I feel like I'm late to the game when it comes to decorating. I have 2 trees up, but I don't feel like my Christmas heart is satisfied. We need to take down the fall decor, and as sad as my fall heart feels for having to do that, it's time. It's time to go to the best time of year, and that is Christmas decorations. So let's take down most of the fall decor. I'm gonna leave out a few turkeys because Ryan's family is coming, so I wanna have a little bit of Thanksgiving, but mostly that festive Christmas goodness up. I put most of my fall decorations away, and then I grabbed my Christmas decorations that live under my bed, and I'm kind of just piling it up in an area when I'm ready to do my decorate with me for Christmas video, which is not going to be in this one, so definitely stay tuned for my whole entire Very Kaylee Christmas series that is just around the corner. But the next thing on my list is to get these nails together. We need to paint them because they're just chipping away. Currently burning Tree Farm by Bath & Body Works, and I'm going to paint my nail color this beautiful red called Essie's Fishnet Stockings. This is my go-to red nail polish, so I just have to do a little bit of touch-ups, nothing too crazy, but I'm gonna use this nail polish all throughout the holiday season. It is my absolute favorite. Have any of you guys watched Love Heart on Netflix yet? I thought it was so cute. It's a new like Christmas rom-com. 1, I love the Asian representation. 2, I thought the storyline was really cute. I was trying to explain to my friend, there's a spectrum of rom-coms. You have Hallmark Channel on one end, then the extreme opposite end, you have like Sweet Home Alabama, and then right in the dead center middle is Netflix rom-coms. They're all gonna end up cute with a happy ending. It's like, what end of cheesiness do you really want? For me, I could take it all. So we were trying to explain it to her, and she's like, okay, that makes sense actually. Oh boy, this is the situation of the hallway right now. You guys know I keep it real with you. And the other day, I just made it throw up in my hallway because I go through these phases of wanting to just clean. And then I'll go through months of just like not even caring about it. Speaking of which, I need to clean this mirror. I need to really get this place together. Anyway, so I'll just like want to clean a bunch of stuff. This has been sitting there for days now because then I got out of that cleaning phase and now I just have no excuse. I actually have to clean it up. I just feel like I want to purge a bunch of stuff because I feel so tight in this small space that if it's not bringing me joy and I'm not utilizing it enough, I just need to let it go. But then I think to myself, well, what if I need to use it someday, somehow? I don't want to let it go and have to rebuy it. So this is a constant thing I'm going through when it comes to small space living, is these just like phases of obsessive cleaning and then not caring at all. So on that note, let's go through all of these clothes and see what I can donate or put on Poshmark. Pray for me that I actually will let things go. I just came to a major realization. The majority of my clothes are like chunky, wintry clothes, and it's just not smart to have in a small space because it takes up so much space. Now, if I was really smart, I would take away a bin of decorations under the bed and create another bin of clothes storage. But I care about my decorations more than my clothing. It's just the reality of it. I took a little break, and now I'm snuggling with my puppy dogs. My Stormy girl's having some sweet little dream. Alright, I think I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. I hope you guys were inspired. This is your sign. You gotta get stuff done. Get it done. And try to do it feeling good about yourself because it will motivate you more to get the things you need done. And so I hope my little hair trick helped any of you guys out there who just need a way to like quickly feel good about yourself that doesn't take that much time. Oh, sometimes when you are a slob kebab, it just creates a slob kebab environment. So we'll see you guys in my next video. Love you so much. Bye.